Second one of the day is this lovely VW Transporter, and I believe the colour is Nardo Grey. So you wouldn't believe that this hasn't been cleaned in 9 months. This is the first time that I'm touching it, and you can't really, luckily grey is really good at hiding the dirt. So if you look down here near the wheels, you can see all the dirt there. So I'm here today to do a gold valet. So I'll be applying a 12-month wax. I'm going to be putting it on with a machine polisher so it'll give a deeper gloss to it, but you can see the dirt really on the wheels. And I'll do another video once I've done it, just so you can see the transformation in it, because these do come out beautiful, this colour. So you'll see what it'll be like shortly. Welcome back on the VW Transporter. Here she is. The exterior is all done. As you can see, she's looking very shiny, very clean. Considering it's a builder's van, it's in fantastic condition. Next we tackle the interior, which I'll show you in a second. The wheels are looking like brand new. The 12-month wax has been applied. As you can see, comparing it to slightly before. Yeah, how good does that look? That's like a mirror. Next, I'll show you the interior. So we've got a lot to work on here. So luckily we've got the rubber mats, so they can come out. First jet wash them down. Underneath we've got some carpeted ones, so that might take a bit of work, but luckily we have seat covers, so the seats aren't actually that bad. Same with over there as well. So it's quite dusty, nothing major. A little bit of dust is what you'd expect being a builder's van. Still cleaner than mine. Mine's pretty disgusting, considering that I clean cars. There we go. So stay tuned, and then you'll see the interior finished, but the exterior is looking brand new. Now all the inside's now done. The customer did say I don't have to do the seats, so I've left the seat covers as they were, because he said he does have new seat covers. The seats are fine anyway, they're all, but it's a bit of a pain to get off, so he said just leave the seat covers on and he'll put the new ones on. But everything else is done. As you could probably remember, the door card was a bit dirty. I don't want to step in because I don't want my feet are dirty, but all the dust is off. Carpets down there are lovely, floor mats, and as you can see there, and there we have it, the VW Transporter, looking like it did when it came out the showroom. Thank you very much for watching. Drop us a follow if you already haven't, and have a wonderful day.